Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I am here. So today in my video, I'm gonna tell you actually all the time I think something like this. Can I learn English very well? Can I be perfect in English? All the times this thing, this matter runs in our mind. So today in my video, I'm gonna tell you how to remove this thing and how to be fluent in English. Actually, I have a lots of experience, so that's why I am telling to you and how to learn English without partner, without environment. So I think according to me, first of all, I would like to tell you this is your excuse, okay? Who are making continuously because I don't have any partner, even environment. So, firstly, I would like to tell you stop it, okay? Stop it and learn English. Learn English because you have already mobile phone. So, why are you need to a partner? I think if you have a good mobile phone, good device, good laptop, so you can learn English very well without partner. Seriously, okay? So because this thing I have done, so that's why I am telling to you, and I have lots of experience, and I am learning English quietly alone. Okay, so actually, yeah, so now it's question writes how to learn English without partner, without environment. So I have some tips which I am going to tell you. Okay, so first of all, you should have the more much practice. Actually, practice is very necessary. Without practice you can't achieve your goal. So I think practice is very important. You can speak with yourself. You don't have any environment in even single person with whom you can have more much practice. So it's okay, don't, it doesn't matter that you don't have any partner, you have a partner. So you can speak with yourself. So now its question rise again. So how to speak without partner? So I think every person have a mirror. Okay, I think every person have a mirror in those, in their house. Okay, so I think you should stand in front of mirror and then you have to lots of practice. Actually, practice is very necessary. Okay, so because you because if you are thinking something like this without having conversation, I will be perfect in English. No, this is a your, this time you are wrong. Okay, without practice you can't achieve your goal. So first of all, I would like to tell you, if you are to be fluent in English, if you are be perfect in English, so you should have more much practice. Without practice you can't speak very well. Okay, and another thing, according to me, I am telling to you genuinely tips. Okay, because I have already followed these steps, so that's why I am telling to you. Please, please, actually I'm learning English because I was facing lots of problems, so that's why I decided I should make the video kind of this. And nobody helped you, but you should practice with yourself. Okay, um so actually, yeah, and next tip, please come to the point. Yeah, actually I have another tips. Watching. Okay, actually watching is very important part of speaking, because these times I am watching continuously, and because when I get free, so that time I watch lots of video. Actually, watching is very important, because when you don't watch more much video related to English content, so I think you can't understand and speak. according to me. Because when I started my journey, so that times all time, all time I learned only grammar. Okay, grammar, not speaking, not watching. But that time I couldn't speak English single words, I couldn't understand very well. So after that I realized I should watch the video, so then I will be perfect in English, and then I will be comfortable to listen more much English content. So I think this is a very good way and you should apply definitely. Okay, and another thing you can use, I think every person have a excuses. I don't have any environment, so how to improve our communication skill? I don't have any person, so how to speak? So please don't make the excuse. Okay, actually I have an idea for you, which you are making the excuse. Please stop it. Okay, stop saying something like this, I don't have any environment and partner. So actually every person have a mobile phone, nowadays. I think even children have a more much mobile, and you can upload the lots of application which help which help. I think with the help of that application you can have more much practice and speaking. So actually, I think when I started my journey, so that time I didn't have any partner. As you know, every time, actually, I told you every times I don't have any environment and any person, despite of I I can speak English well. So I think this is my excuse, and every person can speak English very well. Okay, actually, very every person have a mobile phone, and that person use the mobile phone. So you can use with yourself. You can learn English. Because nowadays, if you know very well English, so uh, you get job very well in our India. Okay, I think this times English is very important, and English is getting getting I think this times, yeah, English is very important. Okay, so yeah, so you can use mobile phone, and then you can download some application, and then you can use. Okay, so I think this times uh, because this time it doesn't need, to ask to other person. Okay, because when I ask to other person, please help me for improving English, please help me, but as a being the smart person with in front of uh, in front of us, so please don't ask to other person. I think this is a your journey, and you have to handle yourself. So yeah, speak, speak, mostly speak. Actually, when you go to other side, you can speak English. When you work at your home, so you can speak English. All the time try to speak English. Okay, so I think you should be definitely perfect in English, because I believe so. That's why I am telling to you as well. I have already experienced, so that's why I am telling to you, because this is a my genuinely tips. So that's why I am telling to you. Okay, and yeah, and another thing, engage in English language. Okay, you can speak anytime in English, because when you go to other side, so that time you can try to speak English, and you can watch English video, not Hindi. Okay, please avoid the Hindi language for some days, till until you be perfect, until you be perfect. So I think avoid the some days. Okay, and speak and because there are so many application on mobile phone you are using continuously, so I think you can translate English. Okay, and all the times watch English video, English music, and English content, English movies. Every time, you can engage in English language, so definitely you will be perfect. So in the end, I would like to tell you, please, this is a genuinely tips, and you should follow definitely. So definitely you will be perfect. And in the end, I would like to tell you, seriously, okay, seriously, if you don't like my video, so you can press that dislike button, okay. These times I am also learning English with you, so that's why I am here and facing this problem. And please do the comment, how's my video, how's my language, and I am getting improved or not. Please, everything, please let me know. And yeah, so in the end, once again, I am saying, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share, and comment my video. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.